Bam! The only true 135mm front shock for the 010X. Woo! What's going on, my PEV fam? Welcome to another video from us here at PEV Riders Club. As always, I truly hope all of you and your loved ones are doing wonderful. In today's video, I will be changing the stock front suspension of my 010X. I was finally able to get a hold of a true hydraulic 135mm 1100 pounds rating front shock for the 010X. I want to give a huge shout out to the folks at Falcon PEV because they finally made it happen for all of us 010X owners. Thank you so much, Falcon PEV, for making this happen. And now let's work on changing these shocks. See you at the end, fam.
We are going to start this process by removing the lock nuts. For this, I'm using a 3x4 socket. Please make sure to unclip the front motor cable, so when it's time to remove the tire, you will not damage it. Here also, I'm using a 3x4 socket to remove the lock nut that is holding the swing arm. To remove the swing arm, you may need to give it a couple taps with a rubber mallet. Our next step is to use Allen keys to remove the top pin that's holding the spring in place. Now that we have removed the screw that holds the top pin in place, give it a couple taps and push it out with the Allen key. Once we remove the pin, hold the swing arm because it's gonna fold down. And now simply remove the stock shock. This is the DNM Torch DV22. As far as I know, this is currently the only true hydraulic suspension that will fit to perfection with the 010X because of its measurements, which is 135mm. This is also rated at 1100 pounds, just like the stock one is. Now it's time to install the DNM Torch. Here we are just going to work in reverse. Make sure to install the bottom pin portion first. Now insert the top pin on the top part of the new shock. With the Allen key, give it a little push so it goes through the entire top part of the shock. Don't forget to reinstall the washer so everything works properly and there is no give. Now we reinstall the screw that holds the top pin in place. Always goes without saying to make sure that everything is properly tightened so there is no possibility of an accident while you're supposed to be having fun out there on the road, fam. Now let's just reattach the swing arm. Again, you may need to use the rubber mallet. Just give it a couple taps and it'll fall into place. There is no need to hit it hard. One advice I also like to share with you, be patient when you are reinstalling the tire, because you want to make sure that you're not damaging your rotor as it's going through the brake calipers. Reinstall the locking washers and then just now place the lock nuts back into place. Also very important, do not forget to re-loop your hub motor cable back in place and retighten the clips that are inside the swing arm.
Well, my PEV family, I truly hope this video is helpful to some of you. And now it's time for the most annoying part, which is please like and come on, Carlos, subscribe to the channel so I can continue to make more videos like this in the future. I truly thank you for all the support, and I want to invite you to come to our Facebook group, PEV Riders Club. We actually have a nice giveaway going on right now, and we're trying to do some giveaways once a week when possible. So if you're not in our Facebook group yet, come and join us. We're always learning together there, and you just can become even closer part of the family. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you in the next video.